Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from NOKIA device to CUBOT tablet Tab 10. First of all, just open Play Store on both devices. Then you need to install free app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, open it. From this screen, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on NOKIA smartphone. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Following that, choose receive on tablet and send on smartphone. Then tap on all of those type of dots and when you're ready, select send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose send and click on got it. Now, as you can see, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on tablet, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here instead and connect those devices by tapping on receive button. Either way, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!